In this third video on circle theorems, we're going to consider two more of them. These ones are fairly straightforward. First of all, you need to remember what a tangent is, or if you don't know, you need to learn. A tangent is a straight line which touches a curve but doesn't actually cut through it. And that's what's happening here. Okay, straight line touching a curve which happens to be a circle, and so we have a single point of contact about there. This circle theorem depends upon that tangent. What we can say is that when a tangent meets a radius, then automatically we know we've got a right angle. So we have a tangent meets a radius at 90 degrees. Nice and straightforward. If instead you have two tangents, so let's have one perhaps there and another one there, then we just mark that in and that in, and also this point here. We could draw in the radii. We would have this rule twice over. This would meet this at 90 degrees. This would meet this at 90 degrees. But we have an additional rule, which, because of the perfect symmetry of a circle, says that these lengths here, from the dot to the cross and from the dot to the cross, these lengths here are equal. The proper language that you need is that tangents from a point to a circle are equal in length. One interesting thing to come out of these two circle theorems, particularly this first one actually, is that, well, let's use the second one, sorry, let's use the second one. If I draw in this line and show the right angle, and if I draw this in, we've now got ourselves, we could draw this one in as well, we've got ourselves two identical or congruent triangles, but they're right angled triangles. So this question could then lead into Pythagoras, for which you need right angled triangles. It could lead into basic trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, for which you need right angled triangles. So it could be that this circle theorem is a starting point for a more multi-stage problem. But in terms of the circle theorem itself, let me just take those back out. Tangents from a point to a circle are equal in length.